What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Alex Rowe Media channel. And today I got something pretty special, even though it's kind of late right now. It's 10:40 at night. I decided to hop out on the camera and go ahead and install myself a conversion kit to install these bad boys. So let's not waste any time and get right to it, guys. All right, catch you in a bit. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what exactly I got for this conversion kit install. So I went ahead and got myself some high strength thread locker. I got the red one. I've seen a couple of people actually say that you could use the blue one, but I went ahead and got the red one for high strength. I mean, it only makes sense, right? You know, you don't want these coming off or anything. But yeah, I got myself these SR48 nuts. I got them from Euro Compulsion. These came a while ago. I just never got or never had the time to actually complete this conversion kit, just because the day I ordered these, I completely forgot that I needed the stud, like the stud conversion kit, and I went ahead and just ordered these without remembering. And so yeah, they've just been sitting in the garage here. Right here I got the studs, and I went ahead and ordered myself a little stubby, or whatever you want to call it, for the car. I decided to go with a little short one, same color, just a little shorter. I've seen it there on the Euro Compulsion site. So shout out to you, Euro Compulsion. You guys are always shipping on time and fast, and yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take off the wheel, and I'm gonna start this conversion install. I'm a little tired, but as a matter of fact, let me go ahead and start opening this stubby. So yeah, here's the box. This should be the stubby, actually. Of course, you get your little card, packaging paper, and can't forget your lollipops and stickers. And you get your little stubby. So let's go ahead. This should be quick, honestly. Just want to see what it looks like. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Ah, I see. Okay. Wow, this is actually really nice. I don't know if you guys could see that. It says the stubby, and yeah, I mean, I assume it comes from Craven Speed, right? Yeah, by Craven Speed. And yeah, the way this feels, this actually feels really nice. It feels nice. Does not feel like a plastic antenna or stubby or whatever you want to call it. This actually feels really nice. Feels like it's like it feels like a metal almost. But yeah, this is nice. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this off. Hopefully it's like the same screw. It looks like it's the same screw, to be honest. It should be the same. And you could tell right away. I mean, you can tell right away, you know, the size, the difference in like height. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this. This actually could come out. So this only goes in one way. I mean, it was pretty loose. That's why I knew that it could come out, but it's not supposed to be. It's supposed to be tight in there. Again, difference in height and everything. So let's just go ahead and put this right here. And there it is. That was the easiest install ever. All right, well, that's that. This is gonna go somewhere else. So that's done. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. Let me open this up, guys. I want to show you guys the studs. So this is what I mean. Right here, this is the stud. Goes onto your rotor, and you put a bit of Loctite on this end. I don't know if you guys could see that. You guys have this end, and you know, you screw it in there. You got yourself a little place to stick your Allen key in there and tighten it up. Again, apply some thread lock, you know, the red thread lock to the end of this. I got the gel version, so you apply some of that thread lock, screw it in, and you're good to go. From there, I'm pretty much going, this is from another car, but same scenario, same thing. I have this, and I'm going to convert it to this. And this is the lug nut itself, or bolt, or whatever you want to call it. So again, this side goes towards the rotor in the wheel, and then you have your nut, and you just screw it in there and torque it down to the appropriate foot-pounds of torque that your wheel needs to go to. Normally, I guess 80, 90 foot-pounds of torque. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one wheel. It's pretty late now, so bear with me, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the rear wheel, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. So first things first, you guys, you're gonna want to take off the wheel, of course. So I'm possibly just gonna do the rear right now just because it's really late, just to show you guys. And tomorrow I'll probably end up doing all three, or maybe I'll just do the passenger side first, and then tomorrow I'll explain better if I run into any hiccups or not. So let me go ahead and finish up. Well, there you guys have it, guys. All four studs are actually on. I did apply a little bit more of the gel thread lock on the thread, just a little bit more, just to actually like secure it, I guess. You don't have to put that much. I just dabbed it around the whole thing. Some people just put a straight line on it, but I went ahead and dabbed it all around and tightened it. I know these are more for like track cars, if you track them and things like that. Personally, I like the fact that I could take the wheel off if I have to, more quicker and everything. I mean, who knows, maybe I will take this car to the track one day, I don't know. But I do like the fact that these studs are way better than the stud bolts that I have. These are like, I don't know, they're a hassle to work with, put back on and everything. But I did the first rear wheel, so yeah, they're pretty tight on now. I don't feel it loose or anything. So I did the first wheel and it came out pretty sick. So yeah, guys, this was actually fairly simple, nothing crazy. I just gotta mount the wheel back on, and that is pretty much it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and finish this video off. I just wanted to test out and see how difficult it was, or what I was getting myself into, and it really isn't that difficult. So I will continue on tomorrow with the other three sides, and yeah, quick little video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. See ya tomorrow. Sorry guys, before I end off the night, let's apply the wheel back on and see how it looks. Even though you might not see much, let's just see how it turns out. Alright? Bam. You see, that's more like it. Studs are out. Wheel is on. That's exactly how I like it. Now you could easily just put on the nuts and roll out. None of that whole guessing where the hole is with the other lug nuts or whatever you want to call them. Honestly, those are trash. I don't really like those at all. So yeah guys, out with the old, in with the new. Now just to install these bad boys, and that's it. So I'll continue on tomorrow, guys. I need some rest. I'll continue on tomorrow, guys. Peace. So this is how it looks with the lug nuts installed. You know, not your regular ordinary lug bolts. You have your lug nuts right here, and as you guys can see, there's not that much thread coming out because I think it just depends on the type of lug nuts you get. So I have the long ones. I have the long lug nuts, so if I ever wanted to get different lug nuts, I could get probably shorter ones, and you would be able to see a little bit more thread, a little bit more meat. So I could actually run a 5mm spacer or probably even a 10mm spacer, to be honest with you. And I think I just might, because I am rubbing. This tire is rubbing somewhere in the wheel well every time I turn. So, you know, I have beefy tires. So I will be running some spacers, probably 5mm in the front. So I know for a fact that these will help out with that, and it just looks way better than these stupid lug nuts or lug bolts, whatever you want to call them. These are trash. I want to show you guys how the ending product looks on the car. I actually love the way these turned out. Way better than the lug bolts or the stock ones that come with the car, because honestly those are terrible. In my opinion, those are terrible, and I would not recommend those to anybody at all. And I want to show you guys how they look on the car, and that will be the end of that. So let's actually go ahead and get this cold start. Well, not really a cold start because I turned it on already, but something is something. Not really cold start, you guys, but still, you gotta love that sound. You gotta love it. I love the sound of this car. So yeah, let me go ahead, you guys, and I will show you how they turned out. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, for watching, and let me know down in the comment section below what should be my next mod on the car. What do you guys think should be my next mod on the car? I really want to hear down in the comment section below what I should do next. If you guys want to be updated on what I'm gonna do next, it'll most likely be on Instagram. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much again. Really means a lot, you guys watching my videos, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.